Silk team, what's going on, man? It's your boy 360 Silk. I'm just about to give y'all a little update on my progress. But before I do, hey, check out the Silky, man. Hey, check out the Silky, man. Boy going crazy. If y'all need one, man, check it out on my website, www.360silk.store. Come get right, man. We going crazy over there. All right, enough talk. Let me unwrap for y'all right quick. Show y'all what's going on. Yes, sir. Yeah, my last cut was like 3 weeks ago on September 11th. But during this wolf, I'm actually working on shifting my pattern a little bit. Let me show you what I mean. But before I start brushing, y'all know what's going on. 360 Silk Premium Medium Brush. Yes, sir. But the part of my pattern I want to shift is this whole section right here. I already started the shift, but at first, all my waves in this section was coming straight down like that. Straight down. Now you see it's a little pivot right there. Boom. See that? Boom. I did that because I want all this to just connect and flow smooth. You know what I mean? I don't want my waves to just come straight down like that. I want it all to connect and complete the beehive. But the way I was brushing like this. I was brushing just straight forward like that. You know what I mean? I was brushing everything just straight forward like this, all the way down here. That's why my waves came in wrong. They were just coming as a straight line, boom. But now, I shifted my angle, just turned it a little bit like this. And I started brushing more downwards. I mean, instead of brushing forward like this, like I was, now I brush more downwards like this. And it's making that little pivot right there. It's making it all curve and just connect better, know what I mean? Because I don't like how it just went straight down. Now I got a little pivot right there, and they coming in nice, man. Just gotta keep on brushing and stay consistent with this angle. But overall, the wave's coming in nice, man. Progress going good. Trying to get these connections to come in better on this side too. My sides is kind of weak. I gotta woof a little bit and go crazy with the brush work to get them sides to come in. But yeah, man. Hey, what that say right there? Brush work. Brush work is key, man. Gotta be consistent. Gotta brush every day. Make sure you get your brush sessions in, make progress. And if y'all need the do-rags, the brushes, I got medium, I got soft. And of course, man, my famous 360 Silk Potion. Come get it right on my website, www.360silk.store. Discount code SILKTEAM. And hey, that's all I got for y'all today, man. Stay wavy, stay safe. I'm out.
I love you. See you later.